Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping movement and scanning the last 15-30 minutes of activity. This narrows the search quickly. Once done, check obvious hiding spots: pockets, backpacks, jacket linings, under cushions, and inside the car. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are on so the Realme Link or Bluetooth list can detect the case or buds. If you have a tile-style tracker in the case, open that app now and ping. This first sweep saves time and often ends the search fast. You now move into detection tools. Open Realme Link or your phone's Bluetooth list and note device names and last seen timestamps to narrow location. Next, use any Find My Device feature on Android or third-party tracker apps that show proximity signal strength. These let you walk and watch bars increase. Once you're in range, trigger a sound or ping from the app if available. A short, repeated tone helps you home in. Keep moving slowly and sweep rooms systematically until you hear it. You finish by conducting a systematic grid sweep. Divide the area into sections and search each thoroughly, including vertical spaces like shelves, jacket pockets, and under furniture. If still missing, contact Lost and Found at recent venues, retrace transit routes, and ask about CCTV or staff help in public places. If detection fails, troubleshoot by rebooting your phone, toggling Bluetooth and location, and refreshing the Realme Link app. Low battery on the case or earbuds can make them unreliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.